Hello there, friends. It's Miss Tasha again here, and as you can see today, I'm reading in the library. Today, I'm going to read for you "The Cat in the Hat." Today, I'm reading this because Dr. Seuss's birthday is coming up, so we'll have the opportunity to do a fun activity a little bit later, involving some things with the cat in the hat. Okay, here we go. And if you know this story, you may read along with me. The sun did not shine, it was too wet to play. So we sat in the house all that cold, cold, wet day. I sat there with Sally, we sat there, we two. And I sat there and I said how I wish we had something to do. Too wet to go out and too cold to play ball. So we sat in the house, we did nothing at all. So all we could do was to sit, 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 sit. And we did not like it, not one little bit. Bump! Oh my goodness, I wonder what's happening. And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked and we saw him step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat. Why do you sit there like that? I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of fun that is funny. Uh-oh, I think this cat's up to no good. I know some good games we can play, said the cat. I know some new tricks, said the cat in the hat. A lot of good tricks, I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind them at all if I do. Then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was out of the house for the day. Oh, look at that silly guy. But our fish said, no, no, make the cat go away. Tell that cat in that hat you do not want to play. He should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when your mother is out. So that fish is talking to that cat. He's telling Sally that they should not have that cat in the house. No, no, have no fear. Have no fear, said the cat. My tricks are not bad, said the cat in the hat. Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish, with a game that I call Up, Up with the Fish. Put me down, said the fish. This is not fun at all. Put me down, said the fish. I do not want to fall. That fish doesn't want to fall. Have no fear, said the cat. I will not let you fall. I will hold you up as I stand on a ball. That's kind of dangerous. With a book in one hand and a cup on my hat. But that is not all I can do, said the cat. Uh-oh. He's doing some things he should not be doing. Look at me now, said the cat, with a cup and a cake on a top of my hat. I can hold up 2 books. I can hold up the fish and a little toy ship and some milk on a dish. And look. Uh-oh. I can hop up and down on the ball, but that's not all. Oh no, that's not all. That guy looks like he's gonna fall, huh? Look at me, look at me, look at me now. It's fun to have fun, but you have to know how. I can hold up the cup and the milk and the cake. I can hold up these books and the fish on a rake. I can hold up a toy ship and a little toy man. And look, with my tail, I can hold a red fan. I can fan with the fan as I hop on the ball. But that's not all. Oh no, that's not all. Oh my goodness, that cat's being so silly. That is what the cat said. Then he fell on his head. He came down with a bump from up on that ball, and Sally and I, we saw all the things fall. I think that cat might have got a boo-boo. And our fish came down too. He fell into a pot. He said, "Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. This is not a good game," said our fish as he lit. "No, I do not like it, not one bit." That fish fell in a tea kettle. He doesn't want to be in a tea kettle. "Now look what you did," said the fish to the cat. "Now look at this house. Look at this. Look at that. You sank our poor ship, sank it deep in the cake. You shook our house, and you bit our new rake. You should not be here when our mother is not here. You get off this house," said the fish in the pot. "But I like to be here. Oh, I like it a lot," said the cat in the hat to the fish in the pot. "I will not go away. I do not wish to go." And so, said the cat in the hat, so. "I will show you another good game that I know." Oh, that cat's still up to no good. Let's see what his game is. Let's see if he's got a good game this time. And then he ran out. And then, as fast as a fox, the cat in the hat came back with a box. What's in that silly box? Let's see. A big red box. It was shut with a hook. "Now look at this trick," said the cat. "Take a look." Let's guess what's in there. Then he got up on top with the tip of his head. "I call this game Fun in a Box," said the cat. "In this box are two things. I will show you now. You will like these two things," said the cat with a bow. I don't know if they're gonna like those two things. Let's see. "I will pick up that hook. You will see something new. Two things, and I call them thing one and thing two. These things will not bite you. They will want to have fun." Then out of the box came thing two and thing one. And they ran to us fast. They said, "How do you do? Would you like to shake hands with thing one and thing two?" I know you guys would probably want to shake hands with these guys. They look like they're going to have lots of fun. And Sally and I did not know what to do, so we had to shake hands with thing one and thing two. We shook their hands, but our fish said, "No, no, those things should not be here in this house. Make them go. They should not be here when your mother is not. Put them out," said the fish in the pot. That fish is still in the pot. He didn't find himself his way back into his fishbowl yet, huh? "Have no fear, little fish," said the cat in the hat. "These things are good things." And he gave them a pat. "Oh, no, they're not." Oh, wait a minute. They said, "They are tame, oh so tame. They have came here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet, wet day." "Now here's a game that they might like," said the cat. "They like you to fly kites," said the cat in the hat. "No, not in the house," said the fish in the pot. "They should not fly kites in the house. They should not. Oh, the things they will bump. Oh, the things they will hit. Oh, I do not like it. I do not like it one bit." That fish is very, very sad. He's very upset. Then Sally and I saw them run down the hall. We saw two things, bump their kites on the wall. Bump, thump, thump. Down the hall, down the wall in the hall. They're flying kites in the house. We should not fly our kites in the house. Our kites fly outside. Those thing and thing one and thing two are getting things in trouble. Thing two and thing one, they ran up, they ran down. On the string of the kite, we saw Mother's new gown. Her gown with the dots that are pink, red, and white. Then we saw one kite bump on the head of her bed. Oh, Mom's dress flying around. Then those things ran about with big bumps, jumps, and kicks, and with hoops and big thumps, and all kinds of bad tricks. And I said, I do not like the way they play. If Mother could see this, oh, what would she say? I think Mother would not be so happy. Then our fish said, look, look. And he shook with fear. Your mother is on her way home. Do you hear? Oh, what will she do? What will she say? Oh, she will not like it to find it this way. So do something fast, said the fish in the kettle. Do you hear? I saw her. Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of thing one and thing two. Let's see how they're going to get rid of them. So as fast as I could, I went after my net, and I said, with my net, I can get them. I bet. I bet with my net I can get those two things yet. He has a huge net. He's going after them. I hope he gets them. Then I let down my net. It came down with a plop, and I had them at last. Those two things had to stop. Then I said to the cat, now you do as I say. You pick up those things and you take them away. Oh, dear, said the cat, you do not like our game? Oh, dear, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame. Then he shut up the things in the box with a hook, and the cat went away with a sad kind of look. That is good, said the fish. He has gone away. Yes, but your mother will come. She will find a big mess. And this mess is so big and so deep and so tall, we cannot pick it all up. There's no way at all. And then, who was back in the house? Why, the cat. Have no fear of this mess, said the cat in the hat. I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know. Then we saw him pick up all the things that went down. He picked up the cake and the rake and the gown, and the milk and the strings, and the books and the dish, and the fan and the cup, and the ship and the fish. And he put them away. Then he said, that's it. That's that. And then he was gone with a tip of his hat. So he did come back and pick up his things, huh? He made a big mess and he picked it all up. Then our mother came in and she said to us, did you have fun? Tell me, what did you do? And Sally and I did not know what to say. Should we tell her the things that went on that day? Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what do you think we should do if your mother asks you? What do you think you would do if your mother asked you? The end. Well, friends, I hope you liked my story today, and I hope you enjoy Dr. Seuss's birthday. Well, Hope to see you soon. Bye, friends.